What up, Solar OGs? It's your boy Kevin from Bella Electric. Today, I want to talk about something that's been capturing a ton of attention. Obviously, the drones flying over the east and west coast of the United States, and the UFOs accompanying them. Let's break it down. First, there's been a massive influx of illegal aliens. Everybody knows it in the US. And among them, there's reportedly close to 2,000 Al Qaeda terrorists that came over. They're almost certain it's about 2,000. And well, this obviously coincides with the rising global tensions, particularly the US applying advanced long range missiles to Ukraine in their conflict with Russia. In response, it's rumored that Russia, through proxies like Al Qaeda sleeper cells that are already here, may be planting and planning to detonate nuclear bombs, dirty bombs. Now, the drones, okay, what are they really doing? Now, officially, they're said to be scanning for radioactive materials to prevent such attacks. They're looking for the dirty bombs. But here's the issue, guys. Detecting gamma or radioactive waves isn't as simple as a drone flying over at like 200 feet. They can't detect gamma rays that high. This kind of work almost always requires ground teams with specialized equipment, making the drone narrative very, very questionable. Some believe this is a cover story slash psyop by the deep state to create the appearance of proactive measures. While the real agenda remains hidden, I'm guessing the deep state probably wants to detonate at least a couple dirty bombs to create a state of emergency as to not transfer power to Trump. All right. They'll do anything. As for the UFOs, let's talk reality. When we hear aliens, we often think of them being from distant planets. But many theories suggest that they're not extraterrestrial at all. They're interdimensional. Before dismissing this, look into the Willow supercomputer from Google. It's been reported, even in mainstream media, that this technology explores different dimensions, guys, and realities. This has been going on for a decade. I heard about this like 10 years ago. They're delving into different realities with supercomputers. So the different reality thing, the different dimensions isn't science fiction. It's reality. It's real. Okay. So here's where it ties into the bigger picture. When detonated, nuclear explosions disrupt the fabric of reality and neighboring dimensions. When you get into that subatomic level, the detonation will reverberate across different dimensions. That's why UFOs are often reported near nuclear power plants and testing sites. These interdimensional beings seem to have a vested interest in monitoring or even preventing large scale atomic activity. And those spinning globes you see on the news and all over social media, they're being spotted worldwide. These things are biblical, guys. These were in the Bible. I believe that this is an interdimensional phenomenon. The timing isn't coincidental. With political tensions escalating and Trump returning to office, those in power feel threatened and are likely planning something drastic. Guys, I'm explaining all this because I want you to get prepared. Get your energy right, people. Get some food, water, ammo. The world is shifting rapidly. Something's going down. It's got to. They do not want to give up power. And it's time to take responsibility for your families. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's